Reverse sear tomahawk ribeye on a Weber kettle. Welcome back to another episode of Bluff City Grub.
My buddy Greg here wasted $70 on a ribeye, tomahawk ribeye. I hope you don't screw it up today because I'm in half.
I didn't spend $70 on this. It's 63
Plus tax.
plus tax. This is how to do a reverse sear on a tomahawk ribeye on a charcoal grill.
Roll the intro. Today we've got an extra thick tomahawk ribeye, and when we got a thick ribeye like Greg,
You're not going to be on camera with me?
I don't know what you're gonna do with that thing.
Do anything with it. I'm just going to wave in front of the camera.
Yeah.
Reverse sear tomahawk ribeye on a PK grill.
Weber.
Oh.
One of the reasons I really like a reverse sear on a thick steak is to avoid that infamous line. This steak has a great char. That's short for, I can't cook a steak. I burnt my steak. Hey, you like that char on that steak? Greg, you gonna get us a good char on that steak today?
Hopefully I don't burn this thing. We're doing a reverse sear on the Weber kettle. The reason why I want to do a reverse sear on this tomahawk ribeye is because it's really thick. And I want to make sure that fat renders down. And so we're going to do a reverse sear. We're going to show you how we're going to season it and add layers of flavor today on the Weber kettle. You got anything else?
No.
We have a beautiful tomahawk ribeye here. It's about 3.5 inches thick on one side, 2.5 on the other side. A little uneven cut by the butcher, but it's looking like it's going to turn out delicious. We're going to start out, we'll season it with a decent amount of kosher salt. We're going to get this thing nice and seasoned. Don't worry about I'm putting too much salt on it. It's a thick piece of meat. It can handle it. Make sure you get all sides of it. Perfect. Now we're going to take our black pepper. This is a coarse ground black pepper. We're going to hit that right there on top, all sides of it. Perfect. Here's one of the best things right here. We can go heavy on the garlic because we're doing a reverse sear. We're not worried about the ribeye burning the garlic. These flavors are going to melt into the meat as we cook. We've got a little bit more salt that we're putting on here. This tomahawk ribeye is nicely seasoned. We're going to use our other hand now, and we're just going to kind of make sure we pick up some of that excess seasoning, just like that. Perfect. We have our temperature of the grill almost up to 400. We're going to cook between 400 and 425. Go ahead and get our lid off of our Weber. So we got a 2-zone fire here. We got a little bit of cherry wood and charcoal briquettes on this side. So we got a 2-zone fire, our cold side and our hot sear side. Now we're going to place our tomahawk ribeye that is nicely seasoned on the far side of the grill, and we're going to let that roast off over there. We normally don't cook the time, we cook the temperature. We're going to say it's going to take about 30 minutes. It's approximate. We're going to probe this bad boy. We're going to put one dead center. We're going to see where it's going to temp at. We're going to monitor it. We're going to look for a temperature of about 110 degrees. We're going to come back and reverse sear our tomahawk ribeye on the Weber kettle. So we've been rolling for about 45 minutes or so. Temperature has barely got above 400 degrees for our entire cook. We're rolling at about 108 degrees. We're about to get close to the temp that we're going to throw this over the hot side for a sear. But we have this herb butter here, this garlic herb butter, which this recipe will be in the description below. We're going to go ahead and start basting this steak with another layer of flavor like we do here at Bluff City Grub. So while we're basting this, we're going to leave our lid open so we can let that oxygen get in there to our coals and bring our coals up to a very, very high heat to allow us to reverse sear this tomahawk ribeye on a charcoal grill. All right, we're sitting at 111 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and pull our probe out. We're gonna go to 125. Now we're gonna sear our tomahawk ribeye. So we got tongs, but we got this lovely tomahawk handle that we can use. Just flip our steak right over the fire, just like that. The sears on this charcoal grill, we're gonna take it, we're gonna baste the other side of it. Right, and be careful, it's probably going to flare up a little bit. We're going to put our lid on there, let this roll for about 2 minutes. We're going to shut our lid to kill the flames, no oxygen. Let's go ahead and check our tomahawk ribeye. Let's go ahead and flip it over. Oh, look at that crust, beautiful. Now let's go ahead and get the other side. 1.5 to 2 minutes. It's been about 1.5 to 2 minutes on a reverse sear tomahawk ribeye. Let's go ahead and check this other side. Well, it's looking pretty good. We got a nice crusty side on the other side here. All right, we're gonna hit it with another layer of flavor right here on top. Man, this thing's looking delicious. Man, look at that. It's Tomahawk Ribeye on this Weber kettle. Reverse seared, packed with layers of flavor. Cherry wood, a lot of butter, a lot of herbs. Oh my God, that thing looks delicious. We're gonna go ahead and temp our reverse sear Tomahawk Ribeye. Let's see where we're at on this bad boy. All right, we're looking for a temp about 124 to 125. Look, we're at 126. We're good right there. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy off. Let it rest. Have our Tomahawk Ribeye off of the Weber kettle. We're gonna go ahead and temp this bad boy and let it rest. We're gonna tin it for about 10 minutes or so. Our Tomahawk Ribeye is rested for about 10 or 15 minutes. And it is looking delicious. We got a nice crust on here, herb butter, nice and seasoned, layers of flavor, still got a little bit of steam coming off. Now, when you slice the Tomahawk Ribeye, you wanna come and slice right along the bone and just kind of use it to guide you. And we're gonna go straight down the middle to see our cook on our Tomahawk Ribeye on the Weber kettle.